How to make money online. App testing. Test and provide feedback on mobile app and website for usability. Remote data entry. Perform data entry tasks for companies remotely. Voice acting. Offer voiceover service for video, commercial and more. Automated dropshipping. Set up automated dropshipping store using tool like Overload. Remote project management. Manage project for business and organization remotely. Printable template. Design and sell printable template for various purposes. Online health coaching. Provide online health and wealth coaching service. Remote customer support. Offer customer support service to business from home. Remote legal service. Offer legal service online such as contract review or consultation. Voice lessons. Teach singing or voice lesson online. Virtual real estate agent. Assist client in buying and selling property online. Remote HR consulting. Provide human resource consulting service to business. Remote IT support. Offer IT support and troubleshooting service remotely. Virtual event photography. Offer virtual event photography service. Social media influencing. Build a strong social media presence and earn money through sponsor post and affiliate marketing. Interior design. Offer interior design service online. Fashion styling. Become a virtual fashion stylist and provide style advice online. Marketing research. Conduct marketing research and analysis for business remotely. Video editing. Provide video editing service for content creators. Nutrition counseling. Offer online nutrition counseling and meal planning service.